Alright.
Hi.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Little girl, you got a face on. Alright, show him your thing, Boogie. Go forward. Alright. Let's see you get on it. Uh-oh. Need practice? Your foot bigger than the whole thing, Boogie.
I remember now the break.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay. The playground, y'all. You see a thing? Your scarf fell off your head. Yeah, I got that. You didn't even know it. Hermes. What? Good. That's how you used to look. You just bigger now. You used to be like, wait. Hey, it's too windy, y'all. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, but it's awful windy. It's like 70 degrees.
It's beautiful.
It is gorgeous. That's why we decided to come out real quick. Something just blew in my eye. You look so cute. Look, you got facial hair. His last day of school for summer. Yeah. I know, that's why I wanted to get him out the house. So I had to get him out the house tomorrow too. Alright, well, where you want to go? Alright. It's a beautiful day. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. And nobody's really here. Exactly how it used to be too. Like, I'd be like, wait. Huh? Oh, it's all good. As long as I can see you, Boogie. I mean, that tree all leaning and stuff. Where they play baseball at over there. I had to take y'all to the airport park so y'all can see the planes real close. Yeah, that'll be a next one we'll do. But it's hard to park over there. Woo! Woo! Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end this, and y'all have a good weekend. Totally rad. The radicals. Whoa. Whoa. Whoop, be careful. Whoa. Alright, Boogie, you getting the hang of it. It's coming back to you. It's Coming back to you, son.
You see me, Dad?
Huh?
You see me, Dad?
Yeah. I saw you. You get a good workout. Wow. Whoa. 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 Awesome. Oh. I'm about to get tetanus. That thing about to cut into my ankles. Whoa. I wish I was adventurous. So you get your exercise. Done?